Hey guys, and welcome to your second week of business law. And I hope the first 3 days were not too bad for you. You had 5 assignments for the first week that was due today. All our work is due on Mondays. The first one was the business law scavenger hunt form. You got all the answers to those throughout these pages over here as you went through your course description and orientation. Your second assignment was to join the Remind app and shoot me a text, let me know you had joined, and then you had 3 discussions to introduce yourself. For this week, we're going to start Unit 1, and you will read through. You'll notice I give you prompts to tell you read through the pages here. Unit 1 is in 3 sections, 101, 102, 103. Here's all the Unit 1 vocabulary words, and it tells you where to go next. And we're going to start with 101. 101 is broken into 3 sections. You can notice 101A, 101B, 101C. And we start with 101A, ethics and ethical reasoning. And you'll notice at the top of each page, I have for you what you need to do. Stuff that has to go in your notebook and things that you have to do for assignments. So let's look at how we're set up. We've got your learning targets and your central questions, your criteria for success. Here's your vocabulary for 101A. Here is your notes. As you go through this, it's your responsibility to take notes on this information. Then we have your textbook, and for 101A, you just have to read pages 7 through 9. Create your own graphic organizer. It can be a Google Doc where you just take notes as you read pages 1 through 9, and you upload those notes to me so that I can give you a grade. And then you have essay and short answer questions. You can do this through Google Doc or Word, however you want to do it. You open this up, it tells you how to do it. And then you go to 101B. So that's 101A. 101B is our sources of law. And here you see there's a little bit more involved as we get through, start getting into. Here's your essential question, your learning target, your criteria for success. That's your why you're learning it. And then I have a discussion for you. Discussions are very important because I expect you to give me good information on the discussions, and you are to comment on classmates' discussion. This is where we have our class talk, just like we were sitting in a classroom together. And you, this one is, click on the discussion below, post a response to following questions. Tell me the 4 ethical character traits. You're not going to just list them. I want you to actually talk about them, explain them. Tell me what they are. Here's your sources of law video. And here is the notes for 101B. You also have your chapter book. You read pages 9 through 14. Okay? And then here is a check yourself. Both of these, you do the matching, and then you can look and check behind yourself. This is not for a grade, it's to help you make sure you understand. Here's your case study 1. You're going to read the case. Here is your rubric, how you have to post, what you're expected to post. And here's your case study 2. We'll be doing a lot of case studies, and then a practice quiz. And then you go to 101C. You will work all the way through to the 101 quiz by next Monday. Here's your vocabulary, and here's your exam. So by next Monday, all of 101 is due. If you have any questions, shoot me a message through the Remind app to let me know, and I will be glad to help you in any way that I can.